Do you ever feel a little less steady on your feet than you used to? Maybe getting out of a chair takes more effort, or climbing stairs feels just a bit harder. Even something as simple as opening a tight jar can be a subtle reminder that your muscles aren't quite what they used to be. And if that sounds familiar, you are not alone. As we move past 60, it's normal to notice changes in strength and stability. But here's the truth. Normal doesn't mean inevitable. Muscle loss with age, what doctors call sarcopenia, isn't something you just have to accept. In fact, you have far more control than you might think. And one of the most powerful weapons in your fight to stay strong is breakfast. What if I told you that the key to fighting back against muscle loss and building stronger legs could start with the very first meal of your day? Today, we're sharing 5 specific protein-packed, collagen-supporting breakfasts you must eat after 60. These aren't boring or bland meals. They're delicious, nourishing, and scientifically designed to fuel your muscles, support your joints, and give you a stronger foundation for the entire day ahead. This is about much more than just breakfast. This is your daily strategy for building and maintaining the muscle mass that keeps you stable, strong, and living independently for years to come. Let's dive right into our first breakfast that's both simple and incredibly powerful. Our number 1 powerhouse breakfast is the muscle-building scramble. This one's a classic, but with a few smart upgrades, it becomes a muscle-making machine. At the center of it all are eggs. Eggs are a complete protein, which means they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle tissue. And there's one amino acid that plays a starring role here, leucine. Think of leucine as the spark plug for muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to actually build new muscle. But we're not stopping at eggs. Toss in a handful of fresh spinach, and you're adding a good dose of vitamin C, an essential nutrient your body needs to produce collagen. Collagen helps form the scaffolding of your tendons, ligaments, and connective tissues. That means stronger support around your muscles, especially important for those knees and hips. Here's how to make it. Scramble 3 whole eggs with a handful of spinach, and for a bonus anti-inflammatory kick, add a pinch of turmeric while cooking. Serve it with a slice of whole grain toast for fiber and sustained energy that lasts through your morning. Want to make this even better? Slice up a quarter of an avocado on the side. You'll get healthy fats that support joint health and help you absorb the fat-soluble vitamins in your meal. You can also pre-chop your spinach and store it in the fridge for the week, turning this into a 5-minute meal you can whip up any day. Greek yogurt is another protein powerhouse. Just 1 cup can pack over 15 grams of high-quality protein. It's rich in calcium to support your bones, and it's fermented, which makes it great for your gut too. But we're going a step further. We're adding collagen peptides. Collagen peptides are a form of hydrolyzed collagen. Basically, it's pre-broken down so your body can absorb and use it more easily. And studies show that when combined with resistance training and a high-protein diet, collagen supplements can support lean muscle mass and joint integrity in older adults. Top that yogurt with a generous handful of berries, like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. These aren't just tasty. They're rich in antioxidants and, crucially, vitamin C, which your body uses to synthesize collagen naturally. To make it, just stir a scoop of unflavored collagen peptides into plain Greek yogurt. Add a handful of mixed berries, a drizzle of honey for sweetness, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s. For an extra upgrade, toss in a spoonful of nut butter, like almond or walnut butter. You'll add healthy fats and a bit more protein to round it out. Next up is a warm, comforting option that's perfect for slow mornings. Our third breakfast is the protein-powered oats with collagen. Oatmeal is a familiar favorite, but traditional oats are low in protein. That's a problem when we're talking about muscle preservation. But the good news? A few smart additions turn this into a collagen-supporting, muscle-fueling bowl. Start with steel-cut or old-fashioned oats. They're less processed and keep you feeling full longer. While your oats are cooking, stir in a scoop of collagen peptides. Because collagen dissolves in hot liquid without changing the taste, it's the perfect invisible upgrade. Then add a protein boost with a scoop of vanilla whey protein isolate, or a plant-based alternative if dairy doesn't agree with you. Protein isolates are ideal because they contain leucine and other key amino acids in a concentrated form. Finish your bowl with sliced banana for potassium, a mineral that supports muscle contractions and helps prevent cramping. Sprinkle cinnamon on top for its natural blood sugar balancing effects. Want to take this to the next level? Mix in a tablespoon of ground flaxseed or walnuts. Both add healthy omega-3 fats that fight inflammation and support joint health. Perfect if your knees or hips tend to get stiff in the morning. Our fourth breakfast is one you can sip on the go, the anti-aging collagen smoothie. Smoothies are a great way to pack in nutrients fast, especially if you're not always hungry in the early morning. But to make a smoothie that actually supports your muscles and collagen, you need the right ingredients in the right ratios. Start with an unsweetened milk base, like almond milk, oat milk, or regular dairy if you tolerate it well. Add half a frozen banana for creaminess and a handful of frozen berries for antioxidants and vitamin C. Next comes your protein, a scoop of collagen peptides for connective tissue health, plus a scoop of quality protein powder, ideally one that contains at least 2.5 grams of leucine per serving. Now here's a twist most people don't think of. Toss in a small handful of baby kale or spinach. You won't taste it, but you'll be adding even more vitamin C and a hit of magnesium, another crucial mineral for muscle function. Blend it all up with a few ice cubes, and you've got a refreshing, nutrient-packed breakfast that supports both strength and skin from the inside out. Bonus tip: prep your smoothie ingredients in freezer bags ahead of time. That way, you can dump, blend, and go, even on your busiest mornings. And now for our final breakfast. It's savory, satisfying, and perfect for batch prepping. It's the collagen-packed breakfast bowl. This breakfast bowl brings everything together in one powerful, muscle-loving meal. We're starting with quinoa, a complete plant-based protein that's also high in magnesium and iron. These minerals are vital for oxygen transport and muscle function, two key components for staying strong and energized throughout your day. To that, we're adding roasted sweet potatoes. They provide complex carbohydrates, your muscles' preferred energy source, plus beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A to support recovery and immune health. Next, we add sautéed greens like kale or Swiss chard. Both are rich in vitamin C, helping your body produce and protect its collagen. And of course, we top it all with 2 soft-boiled eggs, packed with leucine and high-quality protein. But here's where this bowl becomes truly next level. We stir a scoop of flavorless collagen powder directly into a warm dressing. Try mixing olive oil with lemon juice, a little Dijon mustard, and a dash of garlic powder. The warmth helps the collagen dissolve, and the citrus gives you a natural vitamin C punch to activate that collagen production. Assemble it all together in a bowl, quinoa on the bottom, roasted sweet potatoes and greens layered over, eggs on top, and the warm collagen dressing drizzled to finish. Want to batch this out for the week? Roast your veggies and cook a large batch of quinoa on Sunday, then just reheat and assemble each morning. It's meal prep that keeps you strong. So, let's quickly walk back through the 5 powerful collagen-rich breakfasts that can truly change the game after 60. First, the muscle-building scramble, with eggs and spinach for muscle protein synthesis and connective tissue support. Then the berry collagen yogurt bowl, combining Greek yogurt, berries, and collagen peptides for a refreshing, antioxidant-rich start to your day. Third, the protein-powered oats, made with collagen, protein powder, and oats for sustained energy and muscle fueling. Fourth, the anti-aging collagen smoothie, perfect for on-the-go strength and packed with leucine, vitamin C, and collagen in every sip. And finally, the collagen-packed breakfast bowl, a savory, satisfying option with quinoa, greens, eggs, and a warm collagen dressing to pull it all together. These aren't just meals, they're muscle-building, strength-protecting rituals that put the power back in your hands. Because every single meal is an opportunity to build a stronger you. And here's what I want you to remember. You are not losing strength. You are building it. These breakfasts aren't chores or restrictions. They are tools, powerful ones, that help you stand taller, move easier, and live fully. It's not too late. It's never too late. Your body is ready to respond. All it needs is the right fuel. If you're ready to start building a stronger foundation, please give this video a like and subscribe to our Stronger After 60 channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. We'd love to hear from you. What's your go-to healthy breakfast? Share your ideas in the comments below. You might inspire someone else in our community. And if you're looking for the full recipes and more nutrition tips, check the description box right below this video. Stay strong, stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.